Hello everyone. Today I want to give guidance on creating the mechanical template for the item of sanitary plumbing, which cover the pipings, connectors, as well as the features. First, select the new project under mechanical template. While it's fully loaded, the first thing I'm going to do is to import the CAD drawings from our architecture building. After the architecture CAD drawings has been imported, next thing I'm going to do is to have a look on the floor plan under this mechanical template. So there are two major sections for mechanicals and plumbing template, but because in order to reduce the chances of misunderstanding, I would like to cancel or delete this plumbing floor plan and create and duplicate it under the mechanicals. I'll delete all the floor plans, minimize it, and I would like to duplicate the mechanical template under the HVAC. After I duplicate it, I would like to rename it into a ground floor, for example. Then under the properties there, I would like to make it under the mechanical template, but the sub-discipline, I would like to change it to plumbing. Then you will see that there's a floor plan for plumbing under the mechanicals. Next, we like to do is actually to create a view. Make sure that all the pipes that we draw under this floor plan can be visible. Click visibility under the view tab and make sure that you highlight all items including the filters here. Click filter, click and choose visibility for all sanitary, domestic and vent. Apply and OK. Next, we like to import or insert all the fittings, sanitary plumbing fittings, or we call it as sanitary appliances. So today I would like to insert the kitchen sink as well as the water closet. So after all sanitary appliances are inserted, the next thing we'll do is to click system and click plumbing features. So I'd like to attach the water closet first. I would like to choose one of the water closet listed in the library. Flushing greater than 1.6. I want to attach it to the toilet. Next, I want to choose the kitchen sink and attach in the place near to the kitchen. This is the two very typical example of sanitary appliances. One comes with connectors, which is actually the cold water piping connectors and also the sanitary piping connectors. However, these library items, kitchen sink, does not come with any connectors. So we have to draw the pipe for both different type of sanitary appliances, one with connectors and another without the connectors. So first, we have to draw the sanitary piping first by clicking the system and pipes. You can choose the pipe you want. Based on the library is given either plastic or standard. I choose standard for this example. Next, I want to click from the bed or the wall near to the kitchen sink and go to the direction I want. So the offset or mid elevation is given automatically 2750 in the software, with which I can actually adjust it, for example, to 500 mm. So I have to follow the brick wall and go to a direction of manhole. However, the height or the elevation of the piping under the brick wall may not be different compared to the piping go to the manhole. So I can change the height of the piping by changing the offset in the middle elevation tab. For example, I want to have a piping under the ground. I would like to change it to negative 1000, and then I can continue the pipes from here to the direction of manhole itself. So I can see the pipes here, which is actually above the ground, but I cannot see the pipes here under the ground. Therefore, you can press the keyboard with letter B, V, and R. Then the view range V and R. The view range will be actually appeared. So choose the bottom part until level 0 no. We have to choose unlimited for both levels and bottom. Click apply and OK. You will be able to see the pipes under the ground. You can choose to click 3D view and check the pipes connection. Make sure that everything are designed appropriately or correctly. Next, we are going to draw a pipe for the water closet. Double click the floor plan again, and today we like to draw the pipes again. Choose the pipe you want, standard or plastic or any object library that you can insert to the system or software. Again, click system, pipe, and key in the offset of the pipe. So for example, negative 150 from here to the point of the wall, and then we can adjust it to the negative 1000 and to go down to the level of manhole, for example. And we have to choose the direction to the manhole. Click the 3D view to check whether all the pipes are designed correctly. So these are all the pipes connected and to the direction of the sanitary appliances. Next, we want to connect this water closet to the pipes, which come with the connectors. So next, we have to click system, click pipe, and connect this part, which is negative 200, to the bottom of the water closet. This, draw a flexible part and connect to the pipes, the nearest pipe accordingly. View 3D, check that the connector is correct. If there's a wrong or mistakes, adjust the pipe and connect it correctly. Then finally, you have the pipe connected accordingly. So for the basing, which do not come with connectors, we have to add and adjust the pipes, original pipe, to the direction of the basing itself. So click pipes, adjust the elevation of the piping, which is near to the height of the sanitary appliances itself. Point to the pipes on the wall and go to a direction of the basing itself. Go to 3D view to check the pipes. So this is the pipe connected from the 500 mm height sanitary piping to the basing itself. Double check the 3D again, make sure that everything are connected correctly. And that's all for the guidance today. Thank you very much and have a nice day.